Welcome to a state-of-the-art metro rail factory in America, where the trains that power our great cities begin their journey.
If we move this component, it optimizes the weight distribution.
Okay, let me check the clearance against the tunnel blueprint. Bring that pallet right here. Watch the clearance on the left side.
The body shell construction begins with precise panel alignment.
Ready on the left side.
Set the alignment pin. Suspension secure.
Is that the red bundle for the HVAC system?
Yeah, pull it through to section 4. I've got the main harness secured here.
Is that seat secure now?
Yeah, give me the next mount.
Layer by layer, a durable, eye-catching coat is applied, built to withstand America's urban environments. Cars are securely coupled, creating a full metro train set ready for America's urban routes.
All systems, the planks, doors, brakes, propulsion, equipment, planks are connected and synchronized.
Look at these readings. Propulsion synchronization is stable across all metrics.
That confirms structural integrity. The test was a complete success.
Brakes, electronics, and controls are thoroughly tested for reliability.
Look at the velocity on this sector.
Maximum performance achieved.
That's it! We did it!
Yeah! Look at her go!
Incredible!